5 policemen are trying to corral the reptiles. But the anaconda breaks free.
Ever wondered how to stare down the barrel of a green anaconda's jaws and live to tell the tale? In the heart of untamed wilderness, danger lurks beneath the surface of murky waters. It's here that we find the formidable green anaconda, a silent predator capable of striking fear into the bravest of souls. However, knowledge is power, and that's what we're here to arm you with today. The green anaconda isn't your average snake, it's a behemoth, reaching lengths of up to 9 meters and weighing in at over 200 kilograms. Stealth and strength are its weapons, making it a formidable force in the depths of South America's rivers. Here's how to survive an anaconda attack. So, what do you do when you cross paths with this giant? First off, confront the anaconda head-on. Keep your cool and observe its behavior. Anacondas often exhibit subtle cues before launching an attack. If bitten, resist the instinct to pull away abruptly. Instead, push deeper into the snake's maw to loosen its grip. Secondly, equip yourself for the battle. In the jungle, preparation is key. Wear sturdy attire, thick gloves, durable footwear and layered clothing to shield against the anaconda's potent bite. For those daring souls venturing into the serpent's domain, consider donning specialized armor, a modern-day shield against nature's wrath. Thirdly, master your breath control. If you find yourself in the tightening coils of an anaconda, hold your breath. Refrain from exhaling as each breath signals the serpent to constrict further. By holding your breath, you can thwart the anaconda's suffocating embrace and buy precious moments for escape. Fourthly, seek sanctuary on higher ground. Anacondas favor shallow, murky depths for their ambush tactics. If caught in their grasp, break for solid ground. Sprint towards safety, utilizing the jungle's terrain to your advantage. Remember, the anaconda may be swift in the water, but on land, it's at a disadvantage. Lastly, unleash your inner warrior. When push comes to shove, it's time to fight fire with fire. Target the anaconda's vulnerabilities, the tail and the eyes. Bite into its tail with primal ferocity, while using your digits to assail its sensitive ocular orbs. Disorient the serpent and seize the opportunity to break free from its coils. Facing down a green anaconda's lethal embrace requires courage, cunning, and a dash of audacity. But with knowledge and fortitude, you can defy the odds and emerge victorious against this apex predator of the jungle. Now there you have it, how to survive an anaconda attack. Don't forget to share these tips with a friend. Comment your own horror stories below. Like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for future ones. Take care and stay safe. See you in the next video.